Alright, today I've got a Kato F3A unit. It's a Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy CB&Q. The road number is 9960A. I have installed a MRC 1957 decoder with sound in it, 16 bits dual mode. It'll work on DC and DCC. I think with DC, I've never ran it on DC, but you will have the sound from the prime mover, but you won't have any control over any other functions. But it's set up for realistic operation with braking, dynamic operation, dynamic braking, and all that. But as if you've watched some other videos, my other eBay sales, I'm switching everything over to a Union Pacific layout, so I'm getting rid of all my other road names and all that stuff to raise money for what I'm doing now. And that's the story with this one. But it hasn't been ran much. It's probably been ran half an hour since I put the decoder in it. But we'll go ahead and start it up here and see how it runs. And the way this decoder works is set up for realistic operation, so you got to ramp it up to about 20, then it'll just start rolling. It does have dynamic braking as well. But, we'll go ahead and reverse it. When we reverse, we'll lose our headlight. That's pretty much all the gist of the locomotive there, but here's the decoder that's in it, just to drop in. Took a little bit of work to put it in, but not too bad. And there's a unit that came out of it originally, so that will be included with the unit. If somebody buys it. But so I'll get some more pictures here, box it back up, and we'll have it for sale on eBay. Thanks for watching.